Once I started taking coaching, we covered and worked on all the areas where I was struggling. And now I can say that I am in a better place physically, mentally, emotionally. मेरी family इतनी नहीं देखती थी मेरी strength, but आपने देखी, so a lot of gratitude for that. Luckily, from the past few months, I have seen a drastic change in the way I snap out of those situations. The entire credit goes to you. I feel like coaching is definitely very beneficial, and I highly recommend Gitansh sir as a life coach and a relationship coach.
So, hi Bhavika. Hi, I welcome
Hello.
you.
Hello.
So it's been a long time since you have worked in these coaching sessions on your different areas of life after end of a relationship or a heartbreak or a divorce happened. So to inspire more people going through the same pain and just for your sharing as well, could you just share with me right now or what was your life like before these coaching sessions? What was
Okay.
happening? What were you going through?
Before the sessions, I was just homebound. Homebound as in I was just taking care of the home and cooking and looking after the other things. At that point of time, I didn't have a goal or a purpose like I want to do this. To be honest, I didn't even know what I wanted to do. मतलब मैं खाली अपने घर को लेकर, अपने हस्बैंड को लेकर वो सब में ज़्यादा एनग्रॉस्ड रहती थी. पर फिर जब हमारे बीच इश्यूज होने लगे और हमने सोचा कि हम सेपरेट हो जाते हैं, तो उसके बाद आई वॉज लाइक मैं क्या करूँगी. आई वॉज ब्लैंक. आई डिडंट नो अब मेरा आगे का जर्नी पाथ क्या होगा, मैं क्या करूँगी. बट at that point of time, I was just scrolling through some reels and videos on Instagram. That's when something caught my attention, and I saw Gitansh's ad, and I thought, okay, I want to give this a try. क्योंकि वो clarity call बहुत ज़्यादा amount का नहीं था, तो I thought, okay, I want to give it a try कि exactly होता क्या है उसमें. So I thought, okay, ठीक है. Then after the clarity call and after I finished my first interaction with Gitansh, I saw I was being seen and heard, and I felt कि कोई है जिसको मैं बता सकती हूँ, लेकिन वो मुझे जज नहीं कर रहे या बोल रहे कि आप में ये प्रॉब्लम है या वो प्रॉब्लम है. He gave me a very patient hearing. So that is what actually attracted me. And honestly speaking, once I started with the sessions, I didn't really know how this is going to proceed or कैसे होता है. So it's been 8 or 9 months कि I have been working with Gitansh sir, and it's been a beautiful journey. I've discovered a lot of things about myself which I didn't know earlier. I see, okay, I also have some potential and I can have a professional goal in life. But before coaching, I had never thought that, okay, I would take up something professionally. I would just be running behind 9 to 5 and 10 to 6 jobs. But now I feel, okay, I want to contribute and help other people who are struggling like me.
Could you share about some struggles you were facing, like sleep or maybe the mental health issue you talked about, and if you're comfortable talking about it?
Yeah, sure.
Energy levels. Could you speak about some struggles you were facing?
Yeah. Earlier, say around 8 or 9 months back, I was having issues. It was difficult for me to fall asleep at night. And even if I fell asleep at night, it was very difficult for me to wake up in the morning. So waking up in the morning was a bit of a challenge. Then my energy levels weren't very good. Somehow I would just get through the day, and I was having a lot of physical pain, a lot of headaches, then lower back pain and all kind of pains in my body. So I was not living my optimum life at that point of time. But once I started taking coaching, we covered and worked on all the areas where I was struggling, and now I can say that I am in a better place physically, mentally, emotionally. It has helped me a lot.
Okay. So wonderful to see these changes in your life. Can you share certain experiences of your coaching with Gitansh?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of good things that I got to know and started making it a part of my routine. Like earlier, I didn't have a routine for myself. Like, okay, the work routine was there, but I wasn't doing anything that would mentally, physically, and emotionally charge me. So, with the help of coaching and like Gitansh, he introduced me to a lot of healthy rituals that I could take up on a daily basis. And then, like, to my surprise, I was quite regular and consistent. I mean, the best thing about it was like the kind of accountability that I was getting from my coach and from his team. So, like, there were days when I wouldn't like mention that okay, I wasn't able to do and I was feeling low on energy. They would always respond back within minutes with something that would help me or maybe motivate me so that I could do it the next day. So, I mean, I have done the longest of rituals, be it breathing, pranayam, for a long period of time. So, yeah, I mean, I've been a bit consistent. I started becoming consistent.
Amazing. This is a new identity you have, right? Means you have this identity that I am consistent now. Wonderful.
After I started coaching, like मुझे काफ़ी सारी टेक्निक्स पता लगी, प्रेपरेशन, मतलब मुझे बताया गया कि मुझे क्या स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए जब मैं वैसी सिचुएशन में हूँ. एंड like luckily from the past few months I have seen a drastic change in the way I snap out of those situations. पहले बहुत ज़्यादा सोचती थी and things like that, but अब मैं वो चीज़ें कंट्रोल कर पाती हूँ. मतलब I don't overthink and I get through the day.
Wonderful, wonderful, amazing. So like what is this new version of you which has been created after these coaching sessions?
I like myself more, as in like I feel I'm dependable now and I'm consistent, because earlier I was only in self doubt कि मतलब मैं कुछ कहती तो हूँ लेकिन फिर करती नहीं हूँ वो चीज़. Like sometimes I tell a friend कि हम लोग कल मिलेंगे and things like that, और फिर at the last moment I feel like अब घर से निकलने का मन ही नहीं हो रहा है. And then but I have started showing up. मतलब चाहे वो कम समय के लिए भी हो, but I have started showing up and I've started taking actions. I have become action taker. मतलब वो habit मेरे अंदर थोड़ी cultivate हो गई है with coaching and like coaching under Gitansh. I have started taking actions. So that's the big difference.
Amazing, amazing. I think you have covered and shared your experience in a very amazing way and बहुत अच्छे से आपने बताया. And you are not just a breakthrough. You are an inspiration to hundreds of more ladies who are going through the same challenge. I think you should keep the energy work up. You have worked on different aspects. You have transformed your journey from mental health to like you have given yourself a direction. You have chosen a direction in life. Now you're working towards it. आपने काफी अलग-अलग levels पे काम करा, physical, mental, energy wise and whatnot. So you are not just a breakthrough, you are an inspiration. So
thank you so much.
In one line, if you would want to sum up the whole experience, and then that's it. Like
actually, I mean the entire credit goes to you. I mean you've been my biggest cheerleader when I felt okay I'll not be able to do, and when my family also like they would say कि मतलब ये कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. They would always be in a doubt कि मतलब इस पे हम इन्वेस्ट करें ना करें. But my coach, I mean which is you, made sure कि मतलब मेरे अंदर जो पोटेंशियल है मैं उस चीज पे वर्क कर पाऊँ और हाँ मेरी क्वालिटीज थोड़ा बाहर ला पाऊँ. मतलब मेरी फैमिली इतनी नहीं देखती थी मेरी स्ट्रेंथ, बट आपने देखी. सो अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड फॉर दैट एंड आई मीन आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल दैट आई केम अक्रॉस योर ad on Instagram and approached you as my coach.
Wonderful, wonderful. So amazing. So good to see this. And I am also grateful for coaching you as well. It's like, do you think individuals who go through breakup, divorce, separation should enroll for breakup and divorce recovery coaching? What is your one message to them?
I absolutely think that you should give coaching a try, because you end up finding a new direction in your life. Like, it's not exactly a pause, it could be a reset in your life towards another new direction. So I feel like coaching is definitely very beneficial, and I highly recommend Gitansh sir as a life coach and a relationship coach. So I mean, what do I say? It's not enough. He's been very good and very understanding. Like, मैं उनके साथ काम करके मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगा कि हाँ, he listens, he makes me feel heard, and या हम लोग साथ में मिलके लाइक कुछ भी बताओ, कुछ नहीं है, सब हो जाएगा. So I mean that kind of approach is also good के मतलब हम सब देख लेंगे करके. So yeah, it's good.
Amazing, amazing.